see somebody. Bomba! Yo! Wow, boss! Mama, you look good, you know my youth!
Respect.
Bro, yo, no, you don't understand. Yo.
We are with the legendary Vybz Kartel and his beautiful wives. How are you? You look amazing. How do you guys feel right now?
We feel good. I mean,
20
thank
years.
you for having me, by the way.
Yes, this is your first time back in the U.S. in 20 years.
One king of reggae, one king of dancer. Watch out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have Vybz Kartel on the red carpet at the 67th Grammy Awards show. Also, we have Beenie Man reacting to Vybz Kartel losing the category of Best Reggae Album. There were quite a bit of different interviews, even with Hollywood Unlocked, as you saw earlier, and Billboard. So stay tuned for that. We're going to look into a lot of the fashion that was going on there between him and Sidem and Shensia. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a comment, leave a like, and share. So Vybz Kartel, Shensia, and Bob Marley and the Wailers, they were all in the category for Best Reggae Album, and obviously neither Shensia nor Vybz Kartel won. And Vybz Kartel posted up a picture with him and Sidem with the song that SZA plays, I Can't Lose, and he said, the caption says, I can't lose when I'm with you. But Beenie Man, on the other hand, he decided to troll Vybz Kartel, and this is what he said in his post. He just posted this video. Check this out.
All I have to say is congratulations to all the nominees. All nominees of the Reggae Grammy Awards. Yeah? But respect to the king of reggae music, Bob Marley. Yes, because he's the greatest of all time and his work cannot be done. Robert Nesta Marley probably gone, but Bob Marley is still alive. One king of reggae, one king of dancer. Watch out.
Ah, boy. If Petty was a person. Anyways, tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. So Vybz Kartel was asked, how does he feel to finally be in LA and, to be let out of prison and just to be nominated at the Grammys, and how has his music impacted globally? And this is what he said. Check this out.
About the nomination,
Yes,
at a time of also, finding that freedom. Can you talk about what that meant to you?
I mean, it meant a lot, and it just made me believe in God more and myself more. Because think about it, I'm coming from jail, and now I'm nominated for Grammy Award. You know what I mean? I'm in LA. What could be better, man? Life is a blessing, so I have to give thanks. Yes.
We had Janisa here earlier, and we were talking about influences and her as a woman kind of being the face of the genre right now, the new up-and-comer. But obviously, she listed you as an influence. And for those of our audience that aren't familiar with dancehall and reggae, you are a literal living legend. So what does it mean that you are you've helped birth this new, generation of artists?
I mean, it's an accomplished feeling because we put in the work, and the same way I stand on the shoulders of giants like the Buju Banton, the Ninja Mans, the Beenie Mans. So it's good that kids can come along and say Vybz Kartel influenced them. So it's like a pay forward, Yes. So it's a great feeling. It's an accomplished feeling, and it's humbling as well.
And what does the genre need to continue to do to continue to move forward and progress?
I mean, I think we just need to find the balance between the art and the commerce, because Jamaican music can be very rough, very kind of intolerant at times. So once we find that balance, especially the young kids coming up, they will do great, trust me.
That's interesting because the way that you recognize, you mentioned intolerance.
Yes.
And I know a lot of us who are familiar with the culture would seeing certain things that we didn't know about. And then as an adult, we found out,
Cenat was also live streaming at the Grammy Awards, and guess who he ran into? Vybz Kartel. This was his reaction. Check this out.
Did you see somebody? Bomba! Yo! Wow, boss! Mama, you look good, my youth!
what?
Respect.
Bro, yo, no. You don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course, 13 years in prison, and I come out and I'm in America 6 months later.
Bro, do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this in the backyard party, whine up, bro.
Love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night though, bro.
Hey, Carson, not easy, you know. Love Jamaica, love Nicki Minaj, love Vybz Kartel, rate that. But this is Sidem and Vybz Kartel on the red carpet. This is Shensia. You guys can rate their outfits and tell me what you think. Guess who I saw? Kanye West and his wife. Did you guys see what she was wearing? She never left nothing to the imagination. She was basically naked. Me no. Tell me anything about that in the comment section.
We love Hollywood a lot.
Thank you. We love you guys too. We are with the legendary Vybz Kartel and his beautiful wives. How are you? You look amazing. How do you guys feel right now?
We feel good. I mean,
20
thank
years.
you for having me, by the way.
Yes, this is your first time back in the U.S. in 20
ma'am.
years.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you taking that in?
I mean, I'm still processing. I literally just told my fiance over there a while ago that 6 months ago I was in jail. Now I'm free. I'm nominated for Grammys
For the
and I'm
first
in
time.
LA for the first time.
Yes.
God is real, man. Trust me. I love it.
Yes, you've been doing music for a minute, a hot minute, a very long time.
Very.
How does it feel to reclaim your throne in such a big way?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
It feels amazing. Like, I mean, it's doing music for me is second nature. So that part is easy. That's too easy. You know what I mean? But just the fact that I've gotten an opportunity to come back out, I've gotten an opportunity, a new lease on life, it feels good and I'm going to deliver to the fans.
I
Trust
love
me.
that. Speaking of new lease on life, what is the next step for you and your special lady?
Oh, we're getting married this year.
Oh my God, congrats.
Yes.
Yes, do you have any performers in mind, aside from yourself, who you want to perform at the wedding?
Buju Banton.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another icon.
He's my favorite. Yeah, he's my favorite artist. So
Yes.
dancehall artist. So yeah. And if internationally, Cardi B.
Yep.
You're invited,
Okay.
Cardi. Okay.
All right, Cardi B, you're invited to the Gaza wedding. He said this year, I thought, but the other day he said this month actually. So we'll just have to see. But in regards to the Grammy Awards and Kartel not winning, here are a few fans reacting to him losing and them reenacting Beenie Man's response.
I said Bob Marley do picture. Bob Marley and you can't give you a break. You couldn't give me a break charges. Jesus Christ. I'm a little teacher get a Grammy and then just win so. I need to dance I wanted to go by themselves. That's how I believe when Chris Brown said Grammy and fuck it. Bob Marley do picture. So I say Beenie Man just post one video. I say look a Rasta man named Bad Mind. You know you're going on the suit. But big up to the nominees of Bob Marley, this and that. The bad mind in you. How we do it, bad mind? Get the motor, you we attack. We see bad mind in you, and I can't tell from it. But no one knows what Zagazo mean.
Thank God.
The people who are around the Grammy, who know how to come about. They don't say some shit in a plate. If you even want to get Kartel, Shensia, they have a solid album when you could give. Bob Marley did much years now. Bumble blood clot, no. This serious. Dancehall artists, they need to tell the Grammy, so they don't want to do no more nomination. It does make sense. Just make Bob Marley and them family them run the Grammy nation. It's simple. This can't make a ounce of sense, brother. It cannot make a ounce of sense. Just make Bob Marley and his son them and his auntie and his uncle, whoever they left, make them just go in the reggae category and call it a day. Done. It done. Who not tired? Alright, we never want the Kartel. We are right with that. Shensia could get it. Shensia could have more than get it. No, sir. No. Bob Marley have to sign contract with the Grammy. Before Bob go down and I agree with him sign contract, I must win at least 150 the Grammy before you are satisfied. Cause half of that. Every day Bob Marley, if I Bob Marley, I son them. No sir. How we don't know that one song for son them most of the time?
Gaza Nation will never win the Grammy, but at the end of the day, the boss get nominated and the boss was there. You see me? I just want to think there. Them give Bob Marley them people them, you see me, as usual. You see me? Come like nobody else not do music. Come like nobody else not do reggae music and dancehall music. It always be Bob Marley them. It's crazy, bro. At the end of the day, a win is a win. You see me? The general go, the general represent. You see me? Gaza Nation. I'm out.
And another thing, Grammys, you better pick the right choice, because Vybz Kartel came after, 15 years, he got his visa back. You know how long we've been waiting for that man to get his visa? 2011, I was in high school. He shaped my whole high school career, high school life. Everything was Vybz Kartel. I am married now with 2 kids. Do you understand? Do you understand that time frame? Okay? I get it, Shinsea, but you up against Vybz Kartel. Like, shout outs to the people who contributed to the One Love album for the movie, but that's Vybz Kartel. Like, he's unstoppable.
If you reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.